Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare delicious tomato chutney. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of ripe tomatoes, 50 grams of fresh ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and 2 to 3 green chilies for a balanced flavor. Also, prepare your spices, jaggery, vinegar, and oil. Having everything measured and ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect chutney every time. Now let's start cooking our chutney base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a sturdy pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, letting them crackle and release their aroma. Then, add your finely chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until they become fragrant. Finally, add your chopped tomatoes and cook until they soften beautifully. Next, we'll build the rich flavors of our chutney. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoons of red chili powder, and salt to taste to your softened tomatoes. Stir in about 100 grams of jaggery or sugar, which will melt and sweeten the mixture. Then, pour in 100 milliliters of vinegar. This adds a lovely tang and helps preserve the chutney. Let it simmer gently on low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it reaches a thick, jam-like consistency. Finally, let's finish our delicious tomato chutney. Once it has thickened, taste it and adjust any seasonings like salt or sweetness to your preference. It's important to let the chutney cool down completely to room temperature before storing. Carefully transfer the cooled chutney into clean, sterilized, airtight jars. When stored properly in the refrigerator, your homemade tomato chutney will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 3 to 4 weeks, ready to enjoy with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.